Hi. After introducing pst02 and having a video about how to pair this device to Vera control unit, it's time to show you how you can pair pst02, which is a 4-in-1 slim multi-sensor from Philio company, to Fibaro Home Center. By the way, if you are interested in watching more videos about Z-Wave products, do not forget to subscribe my channel. In order to add any device to Fibaro Home Center, you can do that using a Fibaro application or web browser in PC. Using Fibaro application, when you run the app, at the bottom of the page, for adding devices, you must touch setting icon. In this page, we have HC firmware, choose HC, refresh network data, Fibaro ID, manage home. To add devices to HC, I click manage in front of manage home. Here you see that you can add or remove devices, add or remove rooms, add or remove sections. If I click add in front of devices, in the next page, Fibaro asks me whether I'm adding camera, device, or door lock. By clicking on add device, Fibaro enters into learning mode. And for 20 seconds, I must put the device I want to add to Fibaro Home Center into learning mode too. But I prefer using web browser. Let's add pst02 to Fibaro HCL using web browser in PC. Okay, after connecting to Fibaro Home Center, I click on devices category. From this list, I select add or remove device. In this page, to add device, you should, if I click add here, the HC enters into learning mode for 30 seconds. We can change the duration of learning mode from this part. I click NWI mode 2. Okay. If I click on add, let's do it. Actually, let's increase the duration mode to 90 seconds. I click add. Okay, now HCL is in learning mode, and by entering the device into learning mode, it will be added to HC. While the HC is in learning mode, by entering the device, in this video pst02, into learning mode, it will be added to HC. If this is the first time we are adding this device to Z-Wave network, just by taking out this miler, the device enters into inclusion mode, and it will be added to Z-Wave network. Okay, while HCL is in learning mode, I take out this item, starts flashing. Fibaro detected the device. Now it is added to Fibaro HCL. Okay. By taking out the miler, If the device is not added to any Z-Wave network, it enters to NWI mode, network-wide inclusion. It remains in this mode for a few seconds. If the NWI mode is aborted and you want to include the device into any Z-Wave network, there is a tamper key at the back of the device and one inside the device. While your gateways is in inclusion mode, by pressing each tamper, this one or the one which is inside, 3 times within 1.5 seconds, it enters into learning mode. Okay, device configuration finished. I click on devices. Leave. You can see that 5 devices are displayed in HCL. One is door window sensor, the other is motion sensor. This device, which is 18.0.3, is temperature sensor, 18.0.4 is illumination sensor. By going to the setting of the devices, we can change their names. In room section, we can assign them to specific rooms. Don't forget to click on Save. You can see that the name is changed. Okay, if I remove the magnet, you can see that Fibaro shows door window sensor is trigged. If I put the magnet in its place near the master device, the multi-sensor, it is untrigged. And if the PIR sensor detects motion or movement, Fibaro shows that. If you want to set parameters of the device, by clicking on the wrench icon of one of the devices, we enter to the setting of pst02. By clicking on Advanced at the bottom of the page, in configuration part, we can add parameters and change them. For example, parameter number 3, which is 1 decimal. I click on read only and click save. HC is waiting for pst02 to wake up. To wake up the multi-sensor, the tamper key must press once. Transfer, okay. Let's go to the advanced setting of the device. In this part, you can see that ID 18 received parameter 3, value 80. In advanced section at the bottom of the page, you can see that, and we can change it here. I can decrease it or increase it. You can, after changing the desired value, you must click on save and wake up the device. To remove the device from HCL, in devices section, you must click on add or remove device. at the bottom of the page to delete device. If I click on delete, HCL enters to learning mode for 30 seconds. I increase it to 60, then I click on delete. Fibaro is ready to exclude devices from unit. While the HC is in exclusion mode, by pressing the tamper key 3 times within 1.5 seconds, it will be removed from the HC. Removing devices finished. For restoring the device to its factory default, the tamper key must be pressed 3 times within 1.5 seconds, and the 4th one must be held for 5 seconds. Okay, let's reset pst02. 1, 2, 3. The 4th time I hold it for 5 seconds. Now it's reset to its factory default. If you have any question, do not hesitate to leave comments. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Goodbye.